Welcome to a comprehensive look at thyme, or Thymus vulgaris. This remarkable herb, a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets, holds a rich history and a wealth of benefits. Belonging to the Lamiaceae family, thyme typically grows 15 to 30 centimeters tall. Its scientific name, Thymus vulgaris, hints at its common and widespread use. The distinctive aroma of thyme is released when its leaves are crushed, revealing its potent essential oils. It's cherished fresh, dried, or as a concentrated essential oil. Thyme's journey began in the sun-drenched landscapes of southern Europe, including Spain, Italy, Greece, France, and Turkey, where it thrived in the Mediterranean climate. Today, its cultivation spans the globe, from the United States to China, India, and Morocco, adapting to diverse farming landscapes and climates worldwide. The power of thyme lies in its active compounds, notably thymol and carvacrol. These molecular structures are responsible for many of its therapeutic properties. Modern science has embraced thyme, processing it in laboratories for pharmaceutical applications, including antiseptics and mouthwashes, leveraging its natural potency. Beyond these, compounds like rosmarinic acid offer powerful antioxidant benefits, while flavonoids contribute to its overall health-promoting profile. Thyme is renowned for supporting respiratory health. Its compounds can help soothe coughs and relax bronchial muscles, promoting easier breathing. Its potent antibacterial properties are well documented. Thyme oil has been shown to effectively combat various pathogens, including common bacteria like E. coli. Thyme also aids digestion and boosts immunity. A warm cup of thyme tea can be comforting, and it's a good source of vitamins C and A, vital for health. Furthermore, thyme contributes to cardiovascular health and acts as a powerful antioxidant, supporting a healthy lifestyle and protecting the body's cells. Thyme has been traditionally used in various forms, as soothing teas, potent tinctures, and topical oils for skin infections, showcasing its versatility. Its medicinal history is rich, with ancient botanical illustrations reflecting its importance in traditional European and Mediterranean medicine for centuries. Nutritionally, thyme is a powerhouse, offering essential minerals like iron and calcium, along with beneficial fiber, contributing to a balanced diet. In the culinary world, thyme is indispensable. From classic herbe de Provence to seasoning roasted meats, soups, and stews, it elevates flavors globally. While beneficial, caution is advised. High doses during pregnancy or for those with thyroid disorders require medical consultation. Always seek professional advice. Individuals with sensitivities to the Lamiaceae family, which includes mint and basil, should be aware of potential allergies. Crucially, never consume undiluted essential oil. In summary, thyme is a versatile herb offering antibacterial, respiratory support, and antioxidant protection, enriching both our health and our cuisine. We hope this overview has deepened your appreciation for thyme. Explore the world of herbal knowledge and discover its many wonders.